What's up, you guys? My name is Amazing Prosper. Welcome you guys to my channel. So in this video I'm going to share with you guys how I traded last week as a Forex day trader. Yeah, last week was a very big week. I made money, a lot of money, but something happened towards the ending of last week, which is what I'm going to tell you guys in this video. So if you are new here, please consider supporting me by subscribing, for your notification. Let's go into this video. Let me show you guys how I traded. One thing I want you guys to pay attention and very mindful about trading is basic things about trading works, like all those support and resistance zone. All those things work. Pay attention to those zones. Don't think like, okay, now you are a guru or you are now a professional forex trader, that you have to throw away the basic things like what we know as simple supply and demand, basic support or resistance, trend line. All those things, they work. Don't just be like, okay, this thing doesn't work, I'm not seeing candlestick. No, I know when it is going to reverse, I know when it's not going to reverse. All those things work. Once the market gets to a key zone, it's going to sell or buy, as long as that key zone is strong enough to push the market or reverse the market. So thank you guys. Let's go into this video. So how I traded last week, was good. So this is BTC. I'm still holding this trade. I'm already on the break even on this place. So I'm holding the trade. So my BTC prediction still remain. If you watch my video previously, when I said that I'm looking at BTC to go to 70,000, I'm still holding that bias like tight. Like I want this BTC to reach this 70,000 before anything else happens. This is it. Sorry, here. Let me remove these ones. So that's my bias anyway. They are all probability. We all are speculating. Nobody knows what is gonna really happen. Yeah, we all are just speculating. You don't even have the money to push the markets forward. So why will I be tight on it? Like if you don't get to that place, something will happen. No, nothing will happen, man. This thing is going to get to where you want to get to. It's just probability. What I'm looking at, like if you follow historical knowledge, like back then, if you go like back testing and see how the market has been moving, you know how it has been going. So with back testing, you can also know when and how the market is going to play out. They are all probability. So for me right now, I'm just looking at BTC that is going to drop to 70,000 region here, over here. That's where I'm looking at. So how I traded last week was simple. On gold, I made money on gold. I'm not happy about this trade, but anyway, that's for another day. Yeah, for next week I'll talk about it. But now how I traded this week. So how I traded last week, sorry. So here was a gold trade that I was trying to sell. I made money here. I didn't lose money here, in as much as the market reversed against me, but gold was so fast. I know how to put my hand in gold. I don't even try to hold gold for a long time. That's it. But I think from now on, I'm going to be holding gold for a long time now. So here, I made money here. I made money on this push. I sold around this region here. Somewhere here, that was where I sold. So when the market was dropping, I saw this with rejection, then I hop out before the market reversed against me. That was on Thursday. So I traded another one. That was this one. This one was on Wednesday. Yeah, the one thing I hate about this trade was simple. I got in too early. That's the thing that I did that I didn't like about this particular trade that I took on Wednesday. So what I'm doing is I kind of back testing my trade and also journaling my trade on my channel here. So my journal, I have a physical journal, which is, I think that's gonna be something that I'm going to give you guys. Yeah, so a physical journal is very important. You have to have it. A physical journal will help you understand what you are doing right, and so that you can improve more on that, and what you are doing wrong so that you can cut down on those things. Yeah, so trading is very big when it comes to profitability. For you to get profitable in trading, you need to kind of fight so many, I call it demons. Yeah, there is something that we do in our natural human environments, like in our day-to-day activities, that in trading it doesn't work. That's it. Like greed, fear doesn't work in trading. It's better to be greedy than to be fearful when it comes to trading. When you are fearful in everything you do, greed also beats, like greed automatically beats fear. I'd rather be greedy than be fearful. Fearful is bad. Fear is bad. Fear is bad. Fear is one of the things that can hold you down from achieving the greatness God has put in you. Fear. You have to conquer that demon. Yeah, but in trading also, these two things, fear and greed, one of the biggest things that you have to overcome before you become successful. So that was on Wednesday. The market flashed down, hit my stop loss before moving in my direction. It was so painful. But my mistake that I did was I hopped in early. I hopped it too early. I could have just waited for this market to reach on this psychology level. That's what I'm talking about, psychology level. It's what 2.9110. That's where the market bounced and then reversed to my favor, which is what I'm supposed to hold. So the thing here was I got in too early and I didn't pay attention to timing. So I remember I always like to take trade on London session. Whenever it is on London session, during London session, that's when I like taking trade instead of getting in too early. Pre-London session, there is a lot of manipulation, but if you can wait for London session and wait for the market to just give you what you really want, you are going to be making money from it. So from now on, I'm going to be waiting for London session to open fully and I see what is happening before I will get in, not just by emotion or try to make money. All those things are just, that's human emotion anyway. So that was on Wednesday. I think I got in again. I traded on Tuesday as well. Okay. Okay, that was on, that's last week. Okay, that was last 2 weeks, sorry. So let's go on GJ. I traded on GJ. GJ was where I was very sad about what happened on GJ. So GJ here, this is my trade on GJ on Thursday. I made a lot of money on this trade. Yeah, both on my live accounts, on my pro firm that I'm trading, I made money from here. So the place where I don't like what I did was here. Yeah, that's what I said. All these things that, let's go on the higher time frame, like 4 hours. Let me show you guys what really happened there on 4 hours. Okay, so this is it. So okay, 4 hours is too big for this. Okay, this is it. So this is 4 hours. So I was buying this trade, which is very big. Okay, I think let me show you guys something on my channel on Telegram. Let me show you guys something on my Telegram. So this is my channel. So look at this trade. It's true now. I didn't even update the trade, like what happened. So here, this is it. So this is it. Look at this trade very well. From what you are seeing, what are you seeing? The market is supposed to be a bullish trend. Actually, that was why I was calling it for a buy. I was heavily in on this trade. I wanted to pass my pro firm because I was like 4% up already. So I want to pass it on this single trade. But it is what it is. It didn't happen. I lost about 4%. Yeah, so I wasn't happy. I was risking much. So the thing that I learned about this trade, no matter how good the setup is, always apply risk management and also apply normal thing that we know about trading, about support and resistance zone on a key zone. Just give the market a breathing space. Yeah, so that was what happened. Let's go back to the chart. So that was what really happened here. The market reversed against me heavily. Yeah, so but I held the trade for a very long time. For a very long time. Here, I held this trade for a very long time. So here, I'll also be looking for this sell opportunity here. Also here, I'll be looking for the sell opportunity. The market is showing like it's going to go up, but I'm not going to take any trade until it breaks this psychology level and show a very good bearish candlestick pattern before I take any trade from here. So that was how I traded last week. So I think that's good. So on GJ, what I'm expecting GJ to do, GJ is on a bullish trend actually. GJ overall is gonna hit it's gonna go bullish. That's what I'm expecting GJ to do here. So overall it's going to go bullish here. So that's what I'm expecting on GJ. So looking at what GJ is showing, it has break up to the upside, come down, retesting. So over here, this is like a consolidation. So for you not to get your account burn out or burn, when I mean burn, I mean blowing your account, wait for the market to break out this high before you take any decision. This high, this particular high, that's what I'm waiting for. But GJ has a multiple high, like a lot of multiple highs. Yeah, so if you say this high, what about this one? This one, this is what you are going to say. But for me, I think whether it's buying or selling, as long as you have a strategy that can show you what to do at any given time, you're going to be making money. I don't even generally want to predict the market in a long time. As long as I'm making money, I'm good. Do you get that? So overall, so on gold, what I'm looking at on gold is simple. Gold is on a bullish trend. Gold has been bullish for a while now. Gold has been bullish, 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 bullish. All-time high was 3,000 something, and it's still going to touch that all-time high right now. So that's it. Watch my other video on how I break down how to stack. Very simple, somewhere here. So watch it right now. Thank you, guys. Yeah, guys, so I'm holding this trade on BTC right now. This morning I got in for a sell opportunity. It's doing a little bit retracement, but I'm still gonna hold the trade. I'm already on a small profit, but I'm going to hold the trade. Yeah, so I'm holding. So I want to really thank you for watching this video. If you're new, please consider subscribing, turn on your bell notifications. See you guys in the next video. Peace out.